Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for the info you need to know when you're trying to survive on a budget. We're going to be installing the low flow double swivel sprayer. Fits most faucets. Pull down the switch from stream to spray. Now I got this, I think a local big box store, I'm not sure. But trust me, it's one of those things, they're all the same. They just put different name brands on. I'll have a link to it down below in the description. We're going to go ahead and install this right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be installing our low flow double swivel sprayer. Now the reason I'm doing this is one, to save water, because now I got a water bill, and two, I now have a septic tank and I don't want to fill that up too fast. I just had that pumped out. It was like 300 bucks. It should be good for about 3 years for me, but you can see how much water this is putting out. And another issue I had is if I did dishes, I'd wash my dish here and rinse it off over here, and I'd either have to keep turning water on and off or just leave it running. It was wasting water. With this, it'll cut back on my water, and it's a nice spray instead of the solid stream. It's a spray kind of like this. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure your water's turned off. Go ahead, grab a hold of this, just turn it. That should screw right off for you. Okay. And on a side note, if you ever have trouble with your drain flowing, take it off, because sometimes you'll find like little pieces of calcium or dirt or whatever, and that'll slow down your water supply. Go ahead and get this open. Okay, now you got two options with these. Now see how this is threaded on the outside? That's not going to fit. So you got to take this part off. Now like some sinks, you'll thread on the inside. Some, the threads will be on the outside. This already has a little O-ring in it. Gonna go ahead, screw it on. An old friend masking tape. Okay, that's basically the spray, the stream, spray, stream. Now I had one of these for years at my old house, and people are concerned about pulling on this. Trust me, it's pretty easy to pull up and down. Something satisfying about that. But okay, yeah, that's all it is to it. I didn't have to use the other O-ring or this, because like I said, some of them will screw up inside and some of them will screw on the outside. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.